Here is how to create a test subscription with multiple products in Stripe, step by step. Start by signing in to your Stripe dashboard. Before you do anything else, make sure test mode is turned on. This is the key detail at the start because you want to create the subscription in your test environment, not in your live account. If the dashboard view changes after you switch modes, give it a moment to update before moving forward. Once test mode is enabled, go to the Customers section. From there, open the test customer you want to use for this subscription. Make sure you are selecting the correct customer record before continuing, especially if your account has several test customers with similar details. Inside that customer profile, look for the option to create a subscription and click Create Subscription. This opens the subscription setup screen for that customer and gives you a place to add multiple subscription items under the same subscription. Next, click Add Product to begin adding the first item. Select the first product you want to include, then choose its price. Pay attention to the exact price entry you pick, since a product can have more than one price attached to it. Once the first product and price are in place, move on to the next item. Click Add Product again and select the second product for the subscription. Choose the matching price for that product as well. If you need more than two products, repeat the same action again for each additional item you want included. Each product should appear as its own subscription item as you add it, so you can confirm that everything is building in the way you expect. After adding the products, review the subscription items area carefully. Check that every selected product is listed and make sure each one shows the intended price. This is the point where you confirm that the subscription includes all items you want before you save anything. With the products confirmed, continue to the rest of the subscription settings. Review the billing cycle, the payment method, and any other subscription options shown on the page. The goal here is to make sure the subscription is configured the way you want in test mode before it is created. When everything looks correct, click Create Subscription to save it. Stripe will create the test subscription for that customer with all of the products you added under the same subscription. If the page takes a moment to process, wait for the dashboard to finish loading and confirm the new subscription record. Your test subscription with multiple products is now created in Stripe.